Like, look at I look like a fucking bodybuilder.
I look like I got done swimming.
All right, sweetie.
Mommy's day out. Liv is with her father. When I say that, it sounds like we're divorced.
Yeah, I know, right?
Liv is with her daddy. Liv is with daddy. And I have my sister here. We're gonna do a mukbang on her channel. We're having a day off. I thought I'd vlog it because we have a lot of fun together, huh? And she's actually auditioning today to be in the WWE.
Yeah, we are going downtown. I have to audition, so I gotta change my outfit.
At the convention center.
At the convention center.
All right, we're gonna go to Taco Bell and
we'll talk about wrestling later.
Well, I'll probably get you guys in the car, so we'll see you then. Ready for my close-up. I'm ready to run.
There you are.
Mm-hmm. We're at Taco Bell. Katie said that she needs to wear her mask when she goes to, I guess it's the nice thing to do.
Yeah, it's respectful on both sides.
Do I need to wear one? I feel like
No,
I'm further away.
You don't.
And then we're gonna go get cupcakes.
Well, I wish I was a bum, so.
Toast. Was he cute? I didn't look.
Yeah, I know, he's just like young.
Oh man.
Okay, we're going into Yummy Cupcake.
Okay, we're gonna go into Yummy Cupcake.
I like how you moved my hair back.
So I can film you.
Okay. We got, oh, my brain won't process this.
You're me right now. You are me.
Cupcakes. We got Yummy Cupcakes and we got literally Yummy Cupcakes and Taco Bell. What a fucking great day, you know?
I'm gonna cry.
Let me take a picture of that before we move.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Good one! We got Taco Bell and we got cupcakes, baby. And we're about to film a mukbang for Katie's channel. So keep on the lookout. Look at this. I look like remember I used to do this shit in high school?
Could be worse.
What are we doing? Okay, so you're just gonna use it for yourself? Oh shit!
I fell off the swing and now my back kind of hurts.
Oh, do I have to call the ambulance?
I have to go to the hospital. I gotta go urgent care.
Are you mommy's bestie?
Oh, Penny.
She's just, mommy, you have all the Mexican pizza and the cupcake.
Okay, that's what I want to look at.
I love you, baby. So it's hours later. Liv is home. It is so hot here in San Diego. It's like literally 100 degrees and there's a fire going on. Like literally, it's so far from us, but the whole sky is super smoky from the fire. So it kind of looks like it's like dark clouds, but this is fire clouds. I don't smell the fire or anything, but it is like the whole sky is really smoky. I got my washer and dryer. I'm gonna show you guys right now. I'm so excited. It's a stackable, and then I have to do the whole laundry room. I need to do shelves. I have so many things I want to do, like home improvement stuff here. I have the air fryer going because it's so hot. We don't have air conditioning because it literally gets hot like twice a year here where I live in San Diego. Like enough where you like need AC. It only does that like twice a year, and today's one of those days. Tomorrow too. But like my bedroom, I don't want to show you guys because it's a mess. I'm washing my comforter right now, but my bedroom I need help on. I'm so excited to do all of this stuff. I'm gonna do my bedroom. I want to do Liv's room really cute, but I bet you guys are getting dizzy. But yeah, I'm making Liv chicken nuggets. What, babe? Pumpkin head? Doing laundry, baby. I'm gonna show you the laundry room. The sweet sound of laundry. I'm so excited. We got a stackable LG. Are you excited, Chuck? I'm vlogging. Oh wait, hold on. I want to vlog your. These are Chuck's pumpkins. Look at that thing. Oh, here comes Big Daddy. I wish I could take a picture. Chuck grew these. They look like they're glowing right now. Bippity boppity boo. How much do you think that other one weighed? Or does that one weigh more?
No, this one actually.
That kind of looks like a bubble.
Like 30 pounds.
And the other one, 35? You could put that into the county fair. If there ever was one again. I'm so excited about this. What do you think about it, Pen? Huh? She's gonna lay on the old dirty clothes. This is an outside shower. like laundry room. It's outside, like apart from our house. So I need to like, Chuck, we need to do shelves, honey. So I can put all the laundry stuff up here.
Where?
What are you looking at me like that for?
Where?
Right here. Shelves. We gotta do shelves. Okay. I'm so greasy right now. You gonna take
You need to read the directions.
Did you get a picture? I haven't.
Do you want to do the vlog? Do not drop it. Don't drop it. You gotta point it at mama. Here, watch. See? Vlogging.
I love.
Liv is vlogging. Liv is vlogging right now. You think it's funny?
Maybe I see Penny. I see mommy. See mommy.
Yeah, I see mommy. Am I doing the new laundry?
I see
You
daddy.
wanna...
See daddy. The vlog. Dad. The vlog. Dad.
No penny.
It's the vlog.
It's the vlog.
Hey, vlog.
Good. It's the vlog. Vlog.
It's the vlog.
Vlog.
Hold it while I drive.
It's the vlog. It's the vlog. Dad. Mom, wait for me.
Keep it very steady. There's the pumpkins. There's some more over there. Look at that. Libby, look. I hope you guys like the vlog. I'm gonna go.
Oh, me, I want to have it.
I hope you guys like the vlog. I'm gonna leave and I'm gonna go wash my face and relax for the rest of the night. It's really smoky outside, so the air quality is not that great and my throat's kind of hurting. Don't fall. And I will see you guys later. Say bye.
Bye, vlog.
Bye, vlog.